This is for my people, so just know somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your hand way up high. Never say bye. No, no, no. Mamas, daddies, sisters, brothers, friends, and cousins. This is for my peoples who lost their grandmothers. Lift your head to the sky, 'cause we will never say bye. As a child, there were the times I didn't get it, but you kept me in line. I didn't know why you didn't show up sometimes on Sunday morning, and I missed you. And what you took through, all the grown for things, separation brings. You never let me know it, you never let it show, because you have me, and obviously there's so much more left to say. If you were with me today, face to face, I never know I could hurt like this. And every day life goes on, I wish you could talk to for a while. Wish you could try not to cry as time goes by. And as soon as you reach a better place, still I'll give the world to see your face and be right here next to you. Ganun.
I-stop mo na ba? Full na oh. Iulit mo, pwede naman yung i-delete eh. I-delete mo na lang.
Mali kasi yung lyrics eh. Putang ina naman eh. Aray po. Ingay pati dyan sa labas.
Delete mo muna yan.
Sana.
Yan. Stop. Ito, stop.
Ito?
Oo.
Stop to?